Guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to easily show you how you can easily connect a smart TV with Bluetooth speakers. So let's say that I have right now JBL and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press Bluetooth here. Okay, it's waiting right now. So now what I'm going to do, I'll simply go to source, and you're gonna have connection guide here, universal remote. No, that's not what I wanted. So you're gonna have the audio by connection guide for Bluetooth here. Okay, and set up now. And here we gotta have the Bluetooth speaker list, JBL. Needs pairing. So click on it, pair and connect. Do-do-do, and it's connected. And this is pretty much it, how you can connect your TV to your external Bluetooth. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And that's pretty much it, right? And you can always change the sound output right here. So again, we are in the settings, so I can go back here, and you can go like, there are two ways how you can do it, right? So you go to here, connection guide here, and then you would choose audio device and Bluetooth. Or what you can do is simply go and have a remote access and then go to settings, sound, and sound output. And you're gonna have it here too. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.